Yeah, good luck with that one, Ramee.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it right now.
Ramos, I got it.
Hold on, I think it's different on that one. Give me a sec. What the fuck is this? Bro, this is... Alright.
Let me try it.
I'm pressing 3!
Let me try.
This shit is fucked up, man. I'm pressing fucking 3. Hold on. I'm pressing 3, bro!
Give me 1 second. I'm just... yeah, I'll call you right back. Just wait for me, all right? Bye. Ramee, can I try, please?
Give me a sec, man. Let me try one more lockpick.
Okay.
Bro, what the fuck is this, man?
Ramee, let me try.
It's actually, you have to like snort a line of cocaine before you can do this.
All right, let me see.
It's actually impossible. I used already a lockpick and a half.
Okay.
Just get out, bro. Don't even waste your lockpick.
Wait, what do you mean? Don't waste my lock. I'm doing it.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Okay, there's 2. Fuck, I fucked up. Fuck. I got it. You ready?
Shut the fuck up.
Come on.
How did you get it?
I used lockpick twice. Do I get 100 Subway sandwiches?
Get the fuck out of here, bro. You did not use that.